was gonna get some comment. Maybe still get some comment. I think we got everything we need. Of course, we're gonna have to check ourselves out, even though we don't work for this place. But let's do that and let's get going. See what they got going on here. Where's the menu at?
Oh, it's you gotta pay inside.
Oh,
Come out and give her the receipt.
nice. That's what's up. You're doing it the smart way. We're all ready. We got our whatever you want to call this, with soap and some Clorox. Kind of a little mixture here going on. We also have a pad. Grill is not that bad of a shape, so shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna get to work. Hey, so we got our grill as clean as I can get it. But just in case, we'll maybe lay aluminum foil over it. I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna spray some Pam on it once the fire gets going. Right now, let's go prep our chicken. Coming to my favorite part of the process. Now, usually I would pick up the grades and pretty much put the lighting fluid on there, but since we cleaned it thoroughly, I believe fire is one of the most sanitizing things out there, so I'm gonna leave the grades on. I'm gonna sweep it with lighting fluid, and I'm gonna light it, and it's gonna light the coals, but also heat up the grades and clean whatever, residue that I didn't get to, like, whatever it may be. Anything that's left that I didn't get to, the fire will pretty much take care of it, and we should be good. Our chicken, we wanted to sit like this for a while. I got it in the bag. I brought it outside, but I'm not going to particularly put it on the grill. I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator like this until I'm ready for it, while I get everything else. I'm not gonna overdo it with the seasoning on the burgers. Kind of simplify it. How much sun keep you down out here, man? let them char on one side, flip them over, turn on the other side, take them off. It's about 3 1/4, just a little. Our burger should be doing quite well. Now it don't really have the look I was looking for. I was looking for the lines, the gray lines. I didn't achieve that. So maybe I should have let it cook on one side longer. So I'll turn these over. No, see, that's not cooking good at all. Okay, so these here I won't turn over. I'll leave, and we'll just come back. So for the barbecue sauces, we'll go with Chicago's own. Keep it ready. Add a mixture of the Kraft, and the Bulls hot sauce. Like I said, I don't like overcooking the burgers. These on the end seem to be cooking more faster than these, so I'll do a little swap here. So we can make sure it's fair. And it's the same with the chicken. Again, you can watch me, but don't be like me, all right? That's not good. Yeah, when you watch me, but don't be like me. Cook it your way. The way you want it to come out. So these burgers are done. I'm gonna kind of like get some sauce on them. That. All right. Sauce on them. Sauce on them. Want that sauce to cook in there. What I'm gonna do. Yep, we want that sauce to cook right on up in there. Douse this chicken down. We're gonna start crusting that chicken up. Caramelizing it. That's the word I'm looking for. And again, I do everything by whim. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Might not caramelize nothing. Might just burn it up. But if that's the case, that's the case. But I think it's gonna turn out fine. Let's click on the hot dogs. Do we getting that pop? Yeah, we getting that pop. There comes that pop. There comes the, I said there comes. Y'all gotta excuse me. I only got so far in college. Y'all thought I was gonna say school period, didn't y'all? Okay. All right, let's close this. I don't want to douse it with water. So these will be the burgers. And hey, man, like and subscribe if you like how I did this. If you think they're gonna turn out good. And like I said, we'll keep them. Please, they like the chicken, they like the burgers. We didn't do any pork. These hot dogs are beef hot dogs, so we did a pork-free barbecue, and seems to be a success. Like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be doing a lot of cooking, so stay tuned. All right, man. Listen, and disclaimer: I don't know what I'm doing.